So today I'm going to show you a really fun little craft thing that doesn't take long, and you can use some of your leftover beads, you can use a glue gun and some hair claws thingies that have a lot of surface area. And they're quite cool and fun to make, apart from that you have to be real careful with your glue gun because my glue gun is crazy. So yeah, that you really have to be careful. So what I do is I have my crazy hot glue gun, so I just add a lot of glue to like an area of the claw hair clip, and then I just drizzle on beads, and then I just repeat that again and again and again. Lots of glue and lots of beads, and make sure you have like a little tray or something so you have something that kind of gets the beads as you drizzle them, and some will inevitably kind of fall off. So as you go along, you can see, okay, where do you need to have some more glue, where do you need to have some more beads, and then you just kind of add some glue, add some beads along the way until it has the perfect look that you want. And I've been super casual doing this. I really wasn't careful at all, so it was just completely random what beads I had and what beads were put on. I really just grabbed a handful and drizzled them on without even worrying about color coordination or anything. And also there were some little kind of bits of fabric thread in my little bead box that also wanted to end up on the hair claw, so I had to be careful of that. And that's just a bit of extra glue because that crazy hot glue gun also really eats the glue like nothing I've ever tried before. So quite a bit of glue spent on this one, and it was really hot, and you have to of course work with the glue while it's hot, so that's always dangerous for the fingertips. So me being really careful, trying to get some glue in, trying to get some extra beads, and it's going to be done soon. And it was a bit of a challenge to actually just like get a grip on it because I was afraid that the beads would fall off, but they were quite sturdy, actually quite well glued on, so that was cool. And then now it's ready. It looks super great. I think it's a fun look on a hair claw. I don't really use them very much because I don't know, I haven't had long hair in a long time, but this one I'm really going to use, and it just bites at you. For this other little hair claw, the little black one, again I used lots and lots of glue, tried to cover the whole thing a bit more than the other one, and then just simply dipped it in a little tray of smaller beads. And that was also a fun technique, and trying to add a little bit more glue along the way and then dip it again. And of course you have to work really fast because you need the glue to be quite hot and you have to get those beads in there. So you also have to use your fingers and try to press some of the beads down and be careful that you don't burn yourself in the process. And I tried to not get the glue and the beads up so far on this one, so it would be a little bit easier to get my hands on while actually putting it in my hair, and that worked well. So just trying really to get it as nice as even, and again it was just a completely random jar of beads that I have because I really like the striped beads, like those little striped glass beads. I don't know, they remind me of my childhood, of like some beads I had when I was a kid, and I think it's so cool that you can make beads that are striped. I don't know how it's done exactly, I would like to look into that, but it's just pretty, and like that little detail, I think it's a lot of fun. And these two hair claws are quite different, of course, because we've got one that is of course very random and lots of like shiny beads, a little dolphin and glass beads and whatever, and then we have the smaller beads on the black claw that are that look a little bit differently and very bold in color as well. This was a fun craft. I really hope that you enjoy doing it as well. And if you think my fingers look weird on this, it's just because I have been indigo tie-dyeing. So I severely just mistreated my fingers on that, and that just wouldn't go off in the wash. So it looks bad, and I'm aware. But luckily these two hair claws turned out really nice. So I hope that you'll enjoy this craft too. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.